how to start a YouTube channel? Well, you've come to the right place because I'm going to teach you guys right now. Before we get into that, please don't forget to like and subscribe really fast. Go do it real fast. So let's get into how to create a YouTube channel right now. Let's go. Okay, so let's start a YouTube channel right now. Okay, so first off, you have to sign in with a Google email or Google Gmail account, okay? And then after that, so I already signed into my new Google Gmail account for my new channel. And this channel's I'm making for my son because he wants to do a gaming channel. So, all right, so create a channel. Your creative journey begins. Pursuing your creative passions, connecting with your audience, and sharing your stories begin with creating your channel. So get started. Choose how to create your channel. Use your name or use a custom name. So it's for my son, so I'm gonna create a custom name. All right, so his channel name is going to be Game Time Geo. Game Time Geo. I understand I am creating a new Google account with its own settings, including YouTube search and watch history. So create. You could change your channel name a couple times. So just FYI, if you can't really think of a specific channel you want right now, it's okay, just create the channel, just do it already. Okay, so nice work. Woo! We created the channel. Now you can upload a picture. Okay, so now I have a picture. I'll probably change it later, but for now I'll keep it. Scroll down a little and tell viewers about your channel. I put, hi, I'm Geo. Watch fun gaming videos with me. I love playing Geometry Dash. Alright, a little something for your channel. You could change it later. And save and continue. I don't have any links yet to the website, so. Alrighty, now, next thing is, this is where you upload your videos. Right there, just click upload video, and if you have a channel for kids, make sure you always click the made for kids button. All right, now here's a section for videos. You'll have all your videos there. Playlists, you could create different playlists for like different categories. Like if he's gonna play some videos of Geometry Dash, that will be in one playlist. Another playlist could be him playing Little Big Planet, for instance. So that keeps everything organized. And you have channels also, that's people you're subscribed to. Discussion, I don't really ever do that. I guess you chat with people, I don't know, but about, and then that's your about section. So let's go to YouTube Studio. And here's a little look at what the YouTube Studio looks like now. A little bit of analytics. This part will have all your videos. It will have a little list of your videos, and you could edit it from there. And this is analytics, so that will show everything like your engagement, your audience. That will have a graph right there, and it will just show you what videos are doing good and which ones are not doing so good if they are not. And then so scroll down, monetization. I mean, you have to get monetized, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. So that's something to look forward to. And yeah, not really much else right there. So I'm gonna go back to my channel. That's how you do it from there. And customize. Oh, definitely get YouTube Buddy and vidIQ. I recommend those. It really helps a lot. And then all right. So this is where you will put your channel art. I'll put a link in the description below on how to create channel art. Yeah, so go check that out. There's different devices that you're going to be showing your YouTube channel on, so you have to make sure that they all fit for each device. So like I said, click the link below and I'll show you exactly how to create channel art. Okay, Awesome.
All right, well, there you have it. That is how you create a YouTube channel. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know in the comments below. And if you want more videos like this and more tutorials, then just let me know. All right, guys, bye.